Well, today, welcome back everybody. Well, today we installed a diesel heater. So what we're doing is we put in this diesel heater. It's to warm the office. And I liked it so much, I'm going to put another one in to do the garage. But I need an exhaust that goes through the wall that's safe and doesn't burn anything down. So I picked up one of these. I'll add a picture of it later. And what it does is it goes through the wall and it sandwiches between the wall. And there's an air space, as you could see, between the wood and it. And then this goes on and sandwiches between this, and then the exhaust pipe connects to that. It comes with one of these tiny little mufflers, and the muffler connects into this, and then we'll connect into that, and it'll make it so that there's no heat distributed to the wood. I have to tell you, this is the air intake. This is the Vevor, and they don't sponsor me at all. It's a product I like, so it's going to end up showing up on the video. And it runs off of diesel fuel. This particular one runs off of a diesel tank, and it connects through the wall and warms up the shop. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect this plate now. We're going to finish connecting this plate, and then we'll connect the muffler to it, and I'll show you it run when we're all done. You're supposed to bolt these completely right through. I'm not doing that. Let me get my drill. Don't go nowhere, I'll be right back. Ever have one of those days when you look for something and you can never find it because it's right in front of your face? So now I just have to put the muffler on the outside. Okay, so I've got the exhaust, the vent here, the exhaust coming through my specialty pipe that goes through and insulated in the wall. So now let's go take a look outside and see what we got. Okay, so what I did is I put a clamp in the back here with 2 screws securing this to the muffler that's outside here. So now let's go turn it on and see what happens. In my office here, on the inner wall, I put the controller in. I have a remote control, or I can use the keypads. I ran the wire through the wall, so now whenever I want it, I'm in the office, I can just turn it on. This will be, a basic wall. I'll have a clock up here maybe, I don't know, but that's where my timer is for the heater. And I can hear it. That's how loud it is. Can you hear it? And I've got you real close to it. And I've got you real close to it. That's what it sounds like. Can you hear it? This is going to be my engineering wall here that I have all my stuff. I have a solar panel. I have another heater coming that's going to control the 2 units. The other unit will be mounted down below this. I'll have a solar panel on the roof connected to my battery pack, and this will all be self-sufficient and it will not require any electricity at all. This is going to be my next project, is my old skid steer. It's an old Ford skid steer. That's going to be my next project coming up. Let's go see how this sounds. Not too shabby. Now, I originally bought this with the intent of having an 8 kilowatt, and it came through as a 2 kilowatt. So I was going to return it, and I said, you know something? I don't know. Why don't I use 2? Instead of using 1 to warm everything, if I don't need the shop heated, I'll at least have my office heated. So the 2 kilowatt goes in the office, does that, and the 8 kilowatt will do my garage, and I'll be prepared for the wintertime. That's what I'm thinking. What are you thinking? That's what we're thinking. So, until then, if you like this short little video, if it gave you any information at all, I know it's kind of like jarbled together, give us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.